So let's talk about ingrown toenail, also known as onychocryptosis. So as the word states, crypto means hidden. So basically it is an abnormal growth of the lateral nail plate into the skin. So what happens in certain young adults, because of the faulty posture or faulty walking or even wearing tight shoes, the nail, rather than growing in the front direction, the lateral nail plate starts growing in the skin itself. So which leads to inflammation in the skin. So the skin becomes red. When there is a prolonged inflammation, that can lead to pain and also secondary infection in that area, which can further lead to pus discharge, granulation tissue and crusting formation. So basically the ingrown toenail is divided into 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. The stage 1 comprises of mild erythema, mild swelling and very less mild pain, which is more on walking, that is ambulation or prolonged standing. The second stage, the erythema, the swelling means the redness and the swelling increases and also the pain increases. In the third stage, besides all these, which is the increased pain, increased swelling, there is an excessive pus discharge also, and there is a formation of extra granulation tissue also, which leads to further aggravation of the problem. So how to go about the treatment? So the treatment consists of the medical care, which includes warm compresses, avoiding or clipping your nails not very close to the skin, and avoid wearing tight shoes. In infection cases, the antibiotic and anti-inflammatories can be given to soothe down the infection. And if all of these things are not working, then surgical excision of the nail, whether a complete nail removal or a partial nail removal, can be done. The commonly affected area is the hallux, which is the big toe of the foot. So if you're facing any of the such issues, just drop in the comments below or go and see your dermatologist. Thank you.